The Whirlpool Dryer L2 error code is displayed when the appliance detects low voltage. This error code can be caused by several factors, including faulty wiring, tripped circuit breakers, or a poorly installed power cord. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to start by checking the circuit breaker. If the dryer's controls are illuminated but it does not heat up, inspect the circuit breaker, as a Whirlpool dryer typically uses 2 breakers or fuses in the home's electrical box, one for turning the drum and the other for supplying heat. To do this, open the electrical service box, locate the dryer's breakers, and check if they have tripped. If so, switch on the tripped breaker or replace a blown fuse if necessary. Additionally, the power cord should be inspected for any damage or burns by unplugging the dryer and checking the cord. Ensure it is installed correctly, referring to the manual if needed. After completing these steps, power on the dryer and test it. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to call a technician for further assistance.